A growing 3D printing company in Springfield, Tennessee needed a high-capacity space to house their expanding equipment lineup without disrupting production. That's where Panel Built came in. Delivered through Paul Hart and Jarvis Handling Equipment Company, this 4,048 square foot modular implant was custom designed to bring structure, organization, and power to their busy facility floor. Measuring 44 by 92 feet, the building includes a 36-space load center supporting 22 duplex outlets and 3 switches, ensuring every piece of equipment gets the power it needs. 2 standard steel doors offer easy personnel access, while a 10 by 14 foot roll-up door allows larger machinery to move in and out with ease. To enhance visibility, windows were installed along the front of the enclosure. In the end, the project gave the customer a fully enclosed, high-performance space, installed quickly, cleanly, and completely modular.